So the moment of truth, let's see if you've learned anything throughout these videos, but also I just hope that you found them interesting as well. And as it's 2020, year of the quiz, I thought we'd finish off with a quiz as well. And you can always email me your scores, because on the next slide I'll give you my email. So, question number 1. How many forensic related courses are on UCAS? Remember, you can pause at any point if you need to take a little bit longer to write your answer. Once I've gone through all 10 questions, then I'll do the answers at the end. Question number 2, what is the definition of forensics? So, don't overthink this question. We've gone over it quite a bit during each video. Question number 3, in which role would analysing patterns be a key part of your role? If you've watched the videos consecutively recently, then you might remember this one. If you've watched them kind of like every couple of days, you might have to go back because this one was near the start. Question number 4. A forensic ballistic expert deals with bullets and guns, but what are the markings on a bullet comparable to? Question number 5. Which is more accurate, DNA or fingerprints? Obviously both are very good, but one is more accurate than the other. Question number 6. What does a forensic toxicologist do? This is perhaps a little bit of a harder question because I'm getting you to give me the definition of their job role. Just one sentence, if that. A couple of words. Question number 7. Which forensic job role was key in prosecuting the high-profile criminal Al Capone? Question number 8. Forensic engineering is an application of which 2 subjects? You could probably have 3 subjects on this as well, so I'll accept 3 subjects, but you've only got to get 2 of them. Question number 9. Which role is similar to a forensic anthropologist? And finally, can you name me one of the signs an arson investigator looks for when arriving at the scene of a fire when assessing if it's arson? So I'll just give you a second for that, and then we'll go through the answers, and then I'll take you on to the last slide of the presentation. So, question number 1, the answer was 493. So well done if you got that right. Question number 2, what is the definition of forensics? It's examining within the law. So we've looked at that quite a bit, that definition, through the videos. So hopefully you got that one, or some variation of it anyway. Oops. The 3rd question is a bloodstain pattern analysis. Question number 4 is fingerprints. Question number 5 is DNA, and that's because you can get partial prints on fingerprints, if you remember. So sometimes they're not very useful because someone has to touch something fully with their finger to get a full fingerprint. Question number 6, identifying the cause of death by poisons or chemicals in the body. So it's that substance. So if you've got like substance, chemicals, poisons, that's good. Question number 7. It was a forensic accountant. Question number 8. So the 2 subjects I was thinking were science and art, or if you've got law or forensics in that as well. So you've got like forensics and art, for example, or law and science. I'll accept those answers. Which role is similar to a forensic anthropologist? It's a pathologist. So you've got anthropologist and a pathologist. And then question number 10. So there was 5 or 6 key signs. So you could have had one of these. Crime scene, fatalities or injuries, major property loss, cause too complex, clear indicators of arson, and are you suspicious? So those are the ones that you could have had. Okay, so if you would like to let me know how you've got on, you can go to highhorizons.co.uk/ask and you can send me a message on there. If you just find my face, Alice, and press chat to me, you can just tell me what score you've got. And you can ask me anything as well. If you want to ask me anything more about forensics, then feel free. I can get somebody in the forensics department to find me the correct answer. And finally, we really want your feedback. So if you've really liked doing these videos and you've really liked learning something new in a video format as well, because I know that you will have had lots of information chucked at you over these past few months. If this is something that you thought, yeah, I want to give my feedback because Alice deserves this after all these videos, and I thought it was interesting, or even if you thought it weren't interesting, you know, feel free to give the feedback. If you want to say it's rubbish, then that's fine. So this is what all the YouTubers do, isn't it? Link is in the bio. So click on the link to go and fill out the feedback survey. Literally 2 minutes, I promise. So yeah, thank you very much, guys. I really do hope you've enjoyed this series, and let me know, because we could do another one on different careers in a different field. Thanks very much. Bye.